My name is Johannes Emmanuel C. Guato, your weather forecaster for today. Today is April 30, 2024. The whole country will experience partly cloudy with warm and humid weather conditions apart from isolated rain showers or thunderstorms mostly in the afternoon or evening due to easterlies. The updates on this outlook will be provided through the daily issuances of the public weather forecast and weather advisories if there are significant changes in the weather scenario. Thank you and have a good day.